Turn on the warning light as a reminder. Park the car well and ensure that the car has been braked safely. Attention please! The electric car jack must be used on a flat and firm ground. Remember, never to use it on a sloped ground. In the tool case, we have jack heads separately for SUV and sedan. Please select the correct one. Insert the power cord into the cigarette lighter and power on, then the other end into the car jack. Align the interface at both ends and tighten the rotary knob. Place the electric jack in the direction parallel to the car. Wrong placement. Choose an appropriate position for the jack, where the car body can provide a good support. Press the power button and then the up button to start the machine. Do not approach when the car jack is working. Pull out the cable and connect it to the electric wrench. 2 sleeves are available for screws of 4 sizes. Pay attention to the sizes when selecting the sleeve. If you fail to remove the screws, please change to another sleeve. The left side of the power switch marked 2 means loosening the screw. Press 2 and keep holding until the screw has been loosened. Remove the nuts. The right side mark 1 means tightening the screw. Same way, keep the one side pressed until the screw has been tightened. Press the down button until the jack is lowered to the minimum.